Hi, my name is Monica Burns. I'm an EdTech and curriculum consultant, founder of ClassTechTips.com, and a webinar host for Simple K-12. Today we're going to talk about how to introduce letter writing to your students using a wonderful publishing tool called Pages. Now, Pages is available for Mac computers. That's where we're looking at it right now. It's also available for iOS devices, meaning it's iPad and iPhone friendly. So when you go to create a new document, you're going to see this choose a template box pop up. And today we're talking about how to introduce letter writing to students. So we're going to go down to the stationery section and you'll see there are a handful of different types of letters that you can pick and choose from. We're going to look at the classic letter today and go ahead and choose this one. And it will pop up and we're going to just have it fill our screen for today. And so when you are using a template, you'll notice that it will populate it with some data, but for the most part, it's just giving us a background to work with. So this is great if you're looking to introduce something like letter writing to your students and you want them to kind of plug in as they get a feel for how letters are traditionally written. So you can talk them through the different pieces with adding their own information, adding the address that they are writing to. What's great about this is that as you highlight different areas, you can make decisions about the text. You can make decisions about spacing. You can type straight in, and when you highlight this body paragraph and you start typing, you'll see it fills it in right there for you, but we're going to go back here. And you can also highlight different areas and change the fonts to change the feel of this as well. So the way we do that is by highlighting a set of text and going up here to our format button. If I click it, it goes away. If I click it again, it pops back up. And so this is where you can change some of the style of the text, whether that has to do with the font, the alignment, or the spacing. This is also the place where you can go ahead and click on the document button, so leaving our format, and you'll be able to make sure that this is the correct page size, that the header and footer is appropriate, and the document margins are what you want them to be. So if you want to introduce letter writing to students, using the Pages template is a great option. We looked today together at the classic letter, but there are other Pages options that you can choose from if you're looking for something a little bit more modern or exciting for your students that might give them a little bit more flexibility. There's lots to look at and explore.